I'm son of the mother of the child at the graduation.
Okay, so you're the lady that the father having a video where man backs up and go on with himself and a kick off on him something there. Alright, so we have the voice note where out there he's saying that you threaten to mash up the youth trophy and you're not playing a role in your life and you have to do this and do that, and that is why indeed have to do what you have to do. So more you take us back at how it started up, what started it up at that moment, what happened?
Alright, you must say I'm pay for graduation and all of that. Yes, I'm pay for the graduation, but at first we did come to a conclusion of doing half and half. But I took it me have him, a girl and a boy. At the time, my daughter started having a toothache. I bring her to dentist and then say her teeth is very bad. She have to go feel the stomach or whatever. And everything come up to $30,000. So me call him and me tell him say, me have that to deal with. Say look like him have to go deal with the graduation, pay for package. And when he graduate, me we buy one shoes for graduating now.
Yeah.
And he agree with that.
Okay. So, all right. So that agreement prior to the graduation. So when you know that the graduation now, Zane, you as the mother, who the son live with?
Me live with, but me send him go to school the Monday. The graduation was the Wednesday. Me send him at school the Monday. My son not come home. All me call him, he not answer. Say when do he take my son 2 days before the graduation? Because he say no want me come my graduation. At that time, that he say.
So how you feel live with it? Hold on, back up there. Your son live with you and your baby father say no want you come my graduation. I don't understand that. Okay. That no make one sense.
I understand either me can't come to my sense or no.
Where that far?
I'll know me can't come to my sense.
Right.
And me carry him in my belly for 9 months. He did all born and sick and admit at home, and I'm out there with him.
Right.
Every day was there too, but the amount of struggle and me go through.
Yeah, so it's fair enough. Graduate, you want to be there for your son. Nothing wrong with that.
Okay.
Alright, so in a voice note, him said that him collect a lot of trophy. Because he look like he's a good student and he get trophy. So alright, so more we don't want to stray from the point. Talk to me when they did in the church. It is a church it happened. In a church it happened, right?
Yes.
Alright, when you're in a church now, how the altercation start with him?
After the ceremony, I walk over to my son and I say, Jay, come let me take picture. By the time I say that, he walk over and hold on to Jay and I say, you want to take picture with Jay. So I say, Job one, let me take picture with Jay first and then you take after. Jay hold on to me, him have one and a judge and I say, come now. So I just let go of him. I say, no, you don't want to go and make him go take a picture and then after me do it. When I go stand up to take the picture, people was walking by, say move from Wembley there and go around at the back. When he walk towards the back now, that's when we find out say he was there with his woman and she still don't have the things them in her lap. So me, just I said to myself, say, you know what, make you take a picture and then after me ready.
Right.
So I say, take a picture and after that give Jane stuff them I'm ready. Yeah, when he saying that his vice note saying, he said to me, say, give me none. He never said nothing about he will give him what when he get after or whatever. He just said that. So me now grab up the trophy and he grabbed me and the trophy job and me say me prefer broke up the trophy more making carry it going woman yard and the woman don't want me put in her yard. And he can't say like that because him say man call me and tell me say carry on and her mother don't want Jay at the place. So me not to make Jay come at the place. So me know.
So hold on, him live with him wife yard with the mother. And the family are then so then
my wife I went after the whatever now we go at the station, I know say they're married.
Okay, and them now want him. So how him would have taken him for 2 days and them now want him to live there? Through a graduation, then give him a pass.
Me don't know if I try graduation. As me say, me send me pitney go to school and me know say me pitney come and all me a calling me don't answer him phone.
So after the trophy now, we could concentrate. After the trophy job, how the physical altercation start now with the him?
The lady I said, let she have them. So he must take them from outer lap and walk away. So me now take off my son go and I say, me hand it to one girl and say, give that to the teacher and I walk out of the church. My son start crying and say, Mommy, I want me trophy them. So I turn to him and I say, Jay, your father, now I give them to you. And I don't want nothing happen. And he start crying. And a little bit after that, I say, walk come outside. And while I'm on Jay and I say, Jay now left until he eat the lunch and pay
for the package, right.
So, I don't know what really happened because I know I get one box after that. I don't know if I want to hold on Jay and or...
So, well, and when you did out the door, you get a box also?
Yes. He box me and push me down the step back way. I don't even know. I skip about 4 or 5 steps and a back way.
Oh,
I don't know how I balance up myself.
Wow. And then now, after I get that now, you left come back in the church.
I stand up for a while because I did shock.
You did shock, right.
I wasn't expecting that to happen.
Right.
So yes, I go back inside and then I follow back at master. And I keep asking him why you know I give Jay stuff them when he come and don't want Jay and yard and he carry Jay stuff them go and yard. Can get trophy before and he carry go and woman yard too.
Okay.
So me know as a mother, me want to know why. And the pitney are crying and saying want this and them not give pitney sitting them.
True.
Why am I do pay for them?
I know when I say you rather mash them up, I know you know really physically I go do it. You just
no, me never know.
You just attack out of anger, say. Yeah, I understand that. Okay. So the part that when you're in a church now, who first lick who?
Him first because I walk because me I say no, me just walk out this side. I just walk out because me don't know say something like that happen.
Okay.
Because I know the first thing do it and the first thing happen and the first thing disgrace me in a crowd. And the first thing put his hand on me.
In a crowd?
In a crowd.
Okay.
And him behind the scenes too. Because me pregnant and he come on me and lick out the pregnancy out of me. And the same little boy, Jay, and him a fear fight him off of me. And he's about 4 or 5 at that time.
So at the time I pregnant for?
Repeat that?
At the time when you say him do that?
No, I'm talking to a guy overseas, so I was pregnant for that guy.
And him come here, oh, Jesus God.
And him come at me and I lick out the pregnancy. He must say, a daughter I did just one at the time. So he must say, oh, me be pregnant now, my daughter 1 year old. At the same time, the woman who I live with is pregnant too. So me don't know why him come at me and go lick out my pregnancy when him a feel woman and pregnant. And like him a pay me rent, he not pay me rent, he not help me pay my light bill or nothing like that. And he not even help me with the penny them neither.
Okay.
As he's saying, can them go to school, buy snacks.
You saw him buy them snacks and everything and you don't do nothing.
Sir, he do it mostly, but not every time.
Okay.
I did live at St. Baker first before I moved from a Brownstone. And me, I feel fine. Fear if send him come to Brownstone. The only thing when he come to Brownstone for a bus or a taxi, he pick him up and carry him go to school. When he leave school, and me, I feel buy things for him before I go home. I have to buy something for eat and drink before I go home. And I have to pay fare to go home. And I have to find food.
Okay.
Birthday come and me, I have to do everything. See all his birthday gone January.
So you're playing a motherly role in his life, seeing where like him then. So the voice note that he sent out and said that the